Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and this we're going to be talking about the HTML head elements. Okay, so the HTML element, we call it an element because it comprises of things inside of it. Okay, you can see that from what we have on our screen here, we have the head opened here, then in between the opened tag and the closing tag here, we have this in between. Okay, so we have a meta tag in between, then we have our title in between. Okay, good. So now we want to see there are more to this, okay, but as we proceed we'll see more things that goes into the head tag or the head elements. Okay, so now we have the meta chasset UTF-20. So it shows that the web page is using a character encoding of UTF-8, okay, UTF-8, okay, and what this helps you to do is that it helps to align your characters, okay, your text, your emojis, your symbols, whatever you're using on the page. It helps to align them to display properly. Okay, that's why we use that's why we call it the character encoding this. So it helps to help your website to display properly. Okay, your characters, your text, and things like that. Okay, so now we have the next one, which is the meta name viewport. So this helps your website to display properly on your mobile version. Okay, and as you know that in recent times most people visit websites or web pages on their mobile phones. Okay, that's the fastest and the most accessible way to access a website. Okay, so it's very important for you to include this on your code, on your head, while developing your website, okay, or your web page. Okay, good. So now the next to that the next to that is our meta name. Okay, our meta name description. So it's the content here describes what your page is about. Okay, so here we say learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for building websites. Okay, for building modern websites. So that's for that. Okay, then we have the meta name for the keywords, which helps in SEO. Okay, it helps for your SEO, so they can easily with each of the searches, which of the keywords here, you can easily get access to your web page, or your web page can easily index, okay, on search engines. So that's also very important in a way. Okay, so we can also include the meta name author. Okay, so just the author of the content of the page. Okay, so yeah, it's just all for your SEO or your search engine optimization, same thing. Okay, yeah, so very important for that. So now this first two is very important, it's a must for you. Okay, and you can decide to add any of the other ones that you want to, but by default, okay, by default, if we decide to clear our page and we enter our exclamation mark and we enter